I have a ton of S24 Ultra accessories that I'm going to be introducing to you, just checking them out and giving you my thoughts as to what they're like. I've got a bunch of videos on my channel where we have added these, so you can have a look at them if you're looking for the silicone cases or the vegan leather ones. But in this video, we're going to be looking at the Flipsuit case. I think this is probably the most interesting case that Samsung are bringing out, and I know that was one for the folds, but to see this on S24 Ultra is great. I think one of the things that Samsung lack generally is that it is quite a creative phone, and we don't see a lot of that distributed or expressed, in a lot of their hardware. So this is where the Flipsuit case comes in. So just to give you an idea of what it is, it's a case like this. There we go. This is the Keith Haring case, one of the Keith Haring cases. And what it does is it's like this frame over here. And this frame allows you to put in one of the, this like, I wonder what the material is behind this, but I think it's NFC or whatever the case is. And it just slides into the back here, like so. And you can put this on. And then what it does is it changes your lock screen. It uses the art from this particular cover, this particular slab, to inform the lock screen, which is cool. It gives you a way of expressing yourself and makes the phone look really cool. And I've got a whole bunch of Flipsuit cards here because you can buy the case, right? And then you can buy the cards separately. So here are the cards, like this. And obviously, instead of buying a whole bunch of new cases, you just have your case, and then you can hot swap the cards in depending on what you want. These aren't all the cards, but there are some of them. But I just want to show you a little bit what it's like and how it works, because I really do think it's quite novel and more people should be looking at this. If you like what I do on this channel, by the way, make sure that you check out the description. I've got links to affiliate links to this. So if you are thinking about picking one of these up and you like what we do here and you want to support that, just head on over and feel free to buy something. It doesn't cost you anything more, and I make a little cut, so that's really cool. Okay, let's have a look. This is what my lock screen actually looks like now. So it's a little bit of a regular lock screen, right? But then the moment you slip on a back case like this, then what it does is it actually downloads the cover, or the back, the lock screen, and then it applies it. So you have this matching lock screen with the matching artwork on the back, which is really cool. And I really like these Keith Haring ones. They're very nice. It's just really strong, illustrative, black and white, nearly monochromatic, but with some spot color. Just looks really cool. I really, really like these. So this would be like the one you'd buy if you bought the flip case as such. And then let's have a look at these ones. So here's the smiley. This is the smiley ring flip card. So let's we've removed the Keith Haring one already. So we just pop that on over here, and you tap the screen, and then boom, content applied, and it's got this really cool TM and smiley. What is this T smiley? Is this like a brand? So I'm gonna put that aside. So we get this. Here's a Marvel one. This is their Marvel's Avenger one. So we dump it on the back, and then Team Avengers. My superpower is being me. Okay, that's a bit lame. That's extremely lame. But it is, I mean, not my kind of background, but it might be for you. And then the back is much better than the animation. I like the glitch animation, but it's cool. That's if you are into Marvel, you can Marvelize your phone. That's a new word. Cool. Keeping it. National Geographic, a lava one. Let's see what that looks like. Boom, a volcano. This one's for your dad, because your dad loves volcanoes, I guess. I mean, if you like this isn't my favorite one by any stretch of the imagination either. But if your dad likes natural history, this is an opportunity for him to express himself or themselves. Mickey. This one's actually underrated. I really like this one. Check this out. So it's like this monochromatic hardline one, and you plonk that on, and then boom. These colors look really good. Really slick animation. This is probably one of my favorites. If you've got a favorite so far, let me know. in the comments, and I'll just tell you wrong if it's not this one. Cool. I think that looks really cool. It's probably one of my favorite ones, if not my favorite. Then there is a monochromatic Keith Haring one. Very cool one as well. I really like this. Slap that bad boy on. Look at that. That's very cool. Love these illustrations. It's just so strong and iconic, and like walking around with the phone like this. It looks really sick. This is also a good one. I don't know which. I like monochromatic and dark. I do like the original Keith Haring one, but it is what it is. And then another Marvel one. This is the Venom one, and it's by far the worst one.
Yeah.
We've both discussed this. This is by far the worst one. Check this out. This is the lamest. I mean, look, I don't want to judge you if you like it, but I'll tell you that you're wrong. Firstly, it looks super lame. This is a super lame cover. And then it's got this, it just mismatches. I don't understand why it's got this. That's them. I think I would go for probably the Mickey one. Mickey one's really slick. It's just such a nice, even the back looks really sick. That looks really sick. It's bold. It's the one that didn't deserve to be the best one.
Yeah.
Like you'd think, like Marvel would get like the Venom one right, but it's very cool. So anyway, I think this is my top one, and then the Keith Haring ones. Yeah, so that's the case. Let's have a look and see. Let's put this Keith Haring one in. Okay, let's just stick this in here. Okay, I haven't taken the plastic over this one, but yeah, it feels really good. Wow. Oh, perfect. Wow. This is so well designed. So this rim over here, it's like perfect at the edge. But obviously you've got that lip to protect it from falling again, or any scratches. But this is just like nearly perfectly flush. There's a little groove here, but it's like, I thought there was a mistake. I was like, but it's really well built. Here's the clicking of the buttons. Very clicky. Again, best part of having first party hardware. They get all that stuff right, all the holes, everything looks good. S-Pen test. Very nice, very easy to access. Very cool design. You know what, at the end of the day, I really like what they've done with this. Like, the Flipsuit Case is, I think a lot of people don't know about it, especially S-Series owners. And it's just a really cool way to express yourself, and it takes it away from being like, your dad's phone. It's like this really cool device. It literally has transformed this whole device. Like, it was this gray phone, and now it's just like really fun, like personalized device. And buying more of these covers are like cheaper than buying the actual whole brand new cover. And you've got all these cool ways to animate and personalize your phone experience. So if you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, thank you so much. Please hit that like button, but also please go check out the description. I've got a whole bunch of affiliate links. If you're thinking about picking one of these up, or any of the other covers that we have reviewed so far on the channel, it will help me out plenty if you go and check those links out. In the meantime, I'll see you in another video. Cheers.